Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to repair this electric kettle at home. It's just simple that you can make it at home and save your money. So this electric kettle has got a broken handle. So electric kettles are so important to us, but when they are broken and can't carry any weight, then they are risky to us or even the kids around us, because when the water is too hot and at a boiling point, you can get burnt. So the first thing we need to do is to unscrew the outer cover of this electric kettle. Make sure you match your screwdriver head with the screw for easier and fast unscrewing. There's a hole inside here and a metal. It seemed the inner screw loosened and fell. So we need to fit in a screw. Make sure you get a smaller screw, because if it's big it won't fit. If it's large also it won't fit. Place the wire well and close it. As you can see, it's already strong. You just need to do the outer cover and make sure it is tight. It's stable like a new one. In case if the topper fails, this is how to fix it. There are two holes inside here that you just need to fix. That is it. Now we need to do the whisk. So now handle for the water. Yes, it can. Boiling test. Switch it on. Perfect.